Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome guys to our mini contest. So this time our mini contest team is about the best IT project, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so before we move to our first performers, I will introduce you to our judges. So as you can see from the right side there is Faizul, and beside Faizul there is Nadif. Okay. After that, let's move to our first performer. Let's welcome TB. The time is yours.
Oke, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tubagus Atalan Ibas Islami. So today I want to share you what is the best my project IT. Okay, so this is bot that we can ask like the Mathematica. If you don't know Mathematica, you can ask this bot like this. Wait, sorry. Then you can now or what perkalian. You can also ask his like this. No, sorry. Like this. It can also, and then you can ask many questions like what is IDN boarding school? Yes, like this. You can answer the question, and then if you want to listen Muratal, you can you can listen the yes. Like that. And then many question like the date. Yes, like what time is it? Yes. Jam berapa sekarang? Sorry, hari apa? Waktu sekarang. I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that was a very good IT project from TV. The chatbot is pretty cool. Okay, now let's move to our next performer. Let's welcome Yones. The time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this chance, I will introduce or I will tell you about my website portfolio. And then I will start for introduce my portfolio. And the first view, and there is a home. There is my face, and then sambutan. What is sambutan? Yeah, greetings. And then the next is about me. Like my name is Yones, and where I born, and my years old, and then where I school. You can look here, and then even you can look my Instagram, GitHub, or LinkedIn here. And the next is about my skills. And here my skills is the development about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other things. And the design is Figma too. And then the next is about my project. There is 6 my project. There is 3 is making magazine with my RPL team in Edinburgh School Balikpapan, and then this is 3 project that I making SWOT analysis, microblog, and making Tokopedia in Figma. And the next is about my certificate. You can look here, a certificate about basic web, and then this is basic JavaScript, and then the right side is join the event Lintas Arta in Balikpapan. And the last is this contact. It's about my email, phone, and then my address. And then maybe that's all for me. I apologize for my mistake. Let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that was a very good performance from Yones with its best IT project being a portfolio. So the next performer will be Farel. The time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will presenting my best IT project. So in this semester, RPL was learning about Android. So this is my first Android application. I mean, it's not the first, but this is that we make together. So the name is Sunahku app. Yes, I don't know why I name it this, because I want to name it something, but my friends already take it, so I just this name. And these are the features. There's Zikir Kauliah and Zikir every time, and there's two last of the feature is Zikir morning and evening every day. So wait, what? It's not changing. I don't know. Okay. What? Wait. Yes. What's the color different? Oh, okay. Maybe this all is all the features. Maybe later I will update it. Maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that was the performance from Farel about his Android project. Now we will move to the next performer, Rokan. The time is yours.
Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this occasion, I will present about the best IT project. So, wait. Broken, sir. Nah. So, it's about Zikirku app. Nah, Zikirku app is application to make easier our life. So if you not remember Zikir, you can use this app. So this app has authentication feature using Firebase. What? Nah, so example in here, in Firebase there is no Jonas account. So in here I will sign up first with Jonas at yones.com, and then password set. Nah, after this, sign up. Nah, so when check the Firebase, nah, there is Yones email. So if we log out, yes. Nah, and then log in with another account like Farel at farel.com, and then log in. Nah, the Firebase will give the error signs. He said invalid login credentials because Farel haven't registered yet. So, but if we use the one of them who has registered, such like admin, and then admin at admin.com, and password no, not admin, just Rokan. suhu.f and password. Oh, the email very badly format. Oh, at gmail.com. This. Nah, you can the authentication will successfully run because my email is registered here. So and then another feature is like zikir setiap saat, and then zikir pagi petang, yeah, like that, and others still many. So the last is there is handling, logout handling, so I can log out here, then he will give so like pop up, not pop up, I don't know the name, yeah, pop up, just yes, then and yeah, just like that, simple, and no, it's not simple, it's hard. So yeah, I think that's all from me for the best IT project. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, yes, that was a very good performance from Rokan with his school under project. So yeah, so we will continue after the break time. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, welcome back. After the break time, let's continue our mini contest. So our next performer will be Atala. The time is yours.
Okay guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to explain my best IT project. This project, you know, it look like not apps, like commonly not apps, but this not only for not apps. Usually I use this project is for save our password from email, from Facebook, Instagram, or something like that. Maybe my email is like this one. And the password is, you can write like this, and yeah, you have this. And if you forget, you just see here. Oh man, nah, this for example, this email, and this is the password, but this only for example. We can edit if sometimes we want to edit our password. Yeah, we just edit our password. Like maybe like blah blah blah. Nah, maybe like this. Nah, if we check again, nah, the password it changed. This for only for save our password, not only in on our laptop, in our note apps, like this note apps, not this. We can save our password in our project, in our own project thing. And if we don't use this email again, we just delete it, and boom, it's gone. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I guess that was the performance from Atala with his Note apps. So let's continue to our next performer, Fahmi. The time is yours.
Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will presentation about my project, the best IT project, my own IT project. And this is the best IT project. Why? Because I got a winner internal competition with this project. And then this project is about people wanna go to outside country, and then they don't know what the destination they want visited, and then in this website, in this company, we have the tour guide is tour guide expert, and then they have the experience from outside country. It's more than the others. And then in the that page, in the page, you have the what we serve and what you got if you choose this company. And then the third page is top destination for each country. And because I wanna join backpacker, that's why I what must that's why I insert the Taj Mahal and Mecca and Cappadocia, the most destination in the Turkey. And who doesn't know about Cappadocia? Cappadocia ever watch in drama? It's like it's my dream, mas. And then in the next place is about testimonial. What people say about us, what they got after joining this trip, and then what they feel about the tour guide. Like the tour guide is help him to like offer the resident people. And then the next page is about our partner. There are many partner in this website. It's like Airbnb, Traveloka, and Booking, and then the airplanes company. And then in this button, we have to, if you wanna get the more information from this website, it's like what's new destination we are adding, and then what's the new country we are adding. And then in the last is the country or the destination we have in this company. And then you can download that in Google and Play Store. And this the illustration from the illustration edge from this website or this application. And I think that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, there was a very nice website design from Fahmi. So we will move to the next performance. Let's welcome our next performance. FF, the time is yours.
So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello guys, I am Fakir Fauzan, and today I want to present to you guys about my best IT project yet, because this is the best IT project that I have for now, yeah, because I haven't done my application. So, let's just get started. Okay, so the screen is the hell. Continue. Okay, so like I said, I will just present something. So sorry for the mistake, for the problems that are happened. So this is my design, UI UX design. So it's called the Origins for some reason. So the Origins is something that I made. So Origins is a brand of the clothes, something like clothing, something like Erigo and Greenlight, something like those. Okay, so I will just run this design. So this is the design, only the design. So if we move to the prototype tab here, you will see many, not so many, but yeah, you will see the cables, something like that. And then yeah, this is when it is running. So first there is the splash screen, and then also the onboarding screen. So that was a simple splash screen. I haven't modified yet. So yeah, that is just so simple. So this is the onboarding screen. You can see only a screen of onboarding screen. So you can see young and stylish, product bergaya and something like that with bahasa. And then if I press this button, it will move to the login screen. You can just fill the columns like this, and then if I press the login or masuk button, okay, so this is the sign that you already logged in to this application. So there are two choices if you want to continue to add your location or just skip to the home page. But let's just see the continue option. So it will show you the location of your current location. So if you press this, so this is the location, yeah. But if we press the line here, you will see the location label. So you can give label to your location, something like my house and then my office, something like that. Or if you want to search a location, you can just press the button here, search location, and you can close it. And then yeah, save location. All right. So this is the homepage looks like. So as you can see, there is ad about a New Year sale code, and then there are products here for you, and then the screen happened. Okay. Oh my God. So yeah, and then if we move to the wallet menu, it will show you something like Shopee Pay, but this thing hasn't done yet because at the time I have so many problems with my laptop, and also I have so many jobs to do. And then yeah, move to the favorite menu or wishlist menu. So at the time I was so lazy to make this menu content, so I just added the you don't have any favorite product from us. So yeah, something like that. And then if we move to the profile menu, there is so many options to setting your account. So language setting, like if you open Tokopedia or Shopee and you press the profile menu, something like that. So maybe that's all for me. Sorry for mistakes. There are lots of mistakes here. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that was a very nice UI/UX design from FF. Now we will move to our next performer. Let's welcome Raji. The time is yours.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, today I will present to you my only one best IT project. I think this is not the best from your guys' perspective because it's the same like Yones. Okay, just open it. Wait, cannot ketik, bro. Okay, wait, the connection is here's my face. So this is my portfolio website. The same like Yones because we use the same template. Okay, let's just scroll. Who is that? Yes, is that me? That's me. I haven't updated this portfolio, so yeah, it's kind of old. So there's my name, where do I study, and also saya adalah seorang pelajar. There's the information. Okay, let's just scroll. There's my skills that I have gained while in IDN. And then Nah, nah. So this is my certificate. And also this is look, IDN magazine. IDN BPN magazine. Me and my friend designed the magazine, and let's just scroll to the bottom. There's my email and then my number, where do I live, and also there's this follow. If you click LinkedIn, I think it's can ya. Think. Oh, look at that. So it will direct to the to my LinkedIn profile. So I think the only button that works is LinkedIn. For the other, I think cannot ya. Okay, I think that is all for me. I do apologize if there's my mistakes. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that was a very nice portfolio, another portfolio from Raji. Okay, let's move to our next performer. Let's welcome Rekno. The time is yours.
Bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I would presentate my I would say the best of my IT project, and here it is. Okay, yeah, this is actually an UI UX, namely HisTube. It's about a video application that tells about history videos, and namely like YouTube, but only a specific theme of history. Okay, so yeah, this is the login screen, but previously we have a splash screen in here. Yeah, it just lasting for many seconds only. So we have both login page and guest page if you're not logged in. So I just will show you the guest page. So this the home page, I mean, of a website, of the application, which tells about many categories of timeline of history. And then this the video page of the application. And then I can also make I just made the channel page, which I only make it for both two pages, view pager, yeah, in Android, only home and videos. And then we can also log out to the. If we log out, we will redirect back to the guest page, which means we don't sign in yet. Yeah, I think that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that's another UX design from Rekno Effendi. And then let's continue to our next performer, Ais. The time is yours.
Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm sorry guys for wasting your time. There was a problem, but yeah, maybe my project is the same with Rokan about Zikir, but we have a different name. If Rokan's name is Zikirku, my application's name is Zikirpedia. So it has the same goal to ease us to do zikir to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. So let's run this project. Just wait for the Gradle. So my project is about zikir also, just like Rokan. You can found about 4 zikir here, 4 zikirs. The first zikir is about bacaan sholat. You can scroll and then you recite the zikir. Then you turn back to the home page. You can click zikir pagi petang, and then there will be some pop-up. You can choose zikir pagi or zikir petang. If you choose zikir pagi, you will read your zikir pagi here. You will recite, because zikir is so useful for your life. if you want to choose Zikir Petang, yeah, just choose Zikir Petang. Maybe that's all for me because this application may be so simple, but it was my first project, so I feel proud of this application. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that was a very good one from ICE, another Zikir app, but different style from ICE, yeah. So let's move to our next performer. After, the time is yours.
Hello guys, Aftar is here, and thank you for the MC for giving me time to presentate my project, one of my best project. So in this website, you can see I opened it in a local host, and the title is Grimoire List for just, but really as a book list. So what does this website do? So it will list all of the books that you have read and that you're progressing in reading it. So for example, if I click this button right there, there will appear a pop-up that you can fill, maybe How to Breathe by Tubagus, the author is Tubagus Raya Alamsyah, and the release year, if I put 124, I cannot input the years more than 2022 because there's a limit to it in the code. So for example, I do it 2021, it will appear in this still on progress section. But not only that, there's a feature when you're already done with your book, then you can click the checklist and then it will appear on the finish section. But there's a detail that here, this is a total of the unfinished book and the master book. So if I press back, it will be unfinished. But if I press again, then it will be mastered. So what if I don't want this book? Then yeah, it's simple. Then you can just delete it until it's gone forever, for eternity. And you can't see it again. If you want to see it again, then you have to demand more. But if you forgot what your title is, then you can just click here and search what is your book. And so in a simple way, this is a list of what book are you reading and what book you finished reading. So it's implementing the CRUD method, and that is a create, read, upload, and edit, and delete. And I think that is all for my project. Thank you. Back to the MC.
Okay, thank you Alta for showing your best IT project. That is a cool website project that you made by yourself. Okay, so now we will move to our next performance. Let's welcome Raka. The time is yours.
Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, it is in the contest, the best IT project that I was make. So I just make some Android project. So the app is the ASEAN country app. So this app is there is a description of some ASEAN country that like Indonesia, Brunei Darussalam, Cambodia, and Laos. So I just make this project with Kotlin. Okay, so we can look this. There's a detail country, and then there is a profile. Okay. Okay, I think that's all from my project. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that was a very good performance from Raka. So we will continue to our next performance. Naufal, the time is yours.
Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, as a humans, we always want a simple things, an easy things, simple things that when we want to eat some delicious foods in some restaurant, and this bad thing will happen. A very long queue at the restaurant because much more people also want to buy that foods. And what do you think about this bad long queue? As a restaurant owner, they will be thinking about how to avoid these bad things. And this is the answer. Kulineran. So with these web applications, you can order what foods that you want to buy within only sit tight on your chair and at the restaurant, and you open this application and order whatever you want to buy. No, so there is no queue anymore. There is no starving people anymore. So let's do some demo. I'm gonna run the project first. Okay, it takes a few seconds. And then we can open the application. So this is Kulineran application. So what things that you can do in this website? So this is the homepage, and then you can see there are a lot of foods here. For example, you can choose what you want to eat, and then if there is no foods that you want to eat, you can go to the all foods page, and then you can search for the food that you want to eat. For example, I wanna search bakso meatball, and then you can just click the detail of the foods button, and then there's the price of the food, and then the description of the food, and you can insert how many food, or how about the amount of the food. For example, if you are really hungry, you can do like 3, and then you can add notes here for the restaurant. For example, I want to say that not spicy, and then you can just click order now, and then I'm sorry for the always alert, and you can just click OK, and you can see in the cart page, and then that is your food that you order with this application. And then if you're already done with your foods, you can just insert what's your name here. For example, this is my name, and then the number of the table at the restaurant. For example, the number is 1, and then there is the total of your order, and then you can just click buy now, and then it was success. The order is success, and then you can see your last order here in the order page. And these are my order in the last cart, or in the last payment. And if you think that how about if the internet is slow, it will take a long time for us to doing like move from this page to the another page. But you don't need to be worried about it, because this project or this application was made by Vue.js, so you don't need to take a long time for moving from the one page to the another page, something like that. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much for listening my presentation. So with Kulineran, no queue anymore, no starving anymore. Thank you.